box you're trying to get
I have no idea.
Sorry, I broke your toy. Welcome to Switch It Up. And we are gonna do something really special, and we didn't know how else to do this, so we're coming at you at a different day than we normally would to showcase what's behind that door.
While we were gone, some of y'all sent us some packages.
And we have no idea how many packages. Jen just said, just go in the barn and go in the office and you'll see them.
Yeah. So are we rolling the intro?
We're gonna roll, yeah, let's roll the intro
okay.
anyway, since it's a different door. And then we're gonna take a peek behind door number office.
A man and a woman left their home to switch things up and go on the road. They didn't know where they would go, but it's gotta be better than staying home. They switched it up. They switched it up.
All right, we're in the barn, and this is the office door that we haven't used as an office yet, but for now, it's the surprise room.
I do want to get it set up as an office.
Let's do surprise.
Surprise.
There might be one package, two.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Surprise.
Oh, wow. You guys, this ought to be fun. Turn the AC on. We're going to need it.
Turn the AC on. We're
We're
going to be
in here a bit.
Wow.
Oh, and don't mind Vern's project list. Look at all the scratch offs he's done. He's been hard at work, hasn't he? Okay. I don't know what to say to this. Let me set the camera up.
Dang, and where do you want to put that?
Whew, it's cooler in here now that we turned on this little AC.
Yes.
All right, so we turn you over a little bit. Whew, okay. I know, it's been hot. We turned on the little AC in here, had to let it cool off. So we really don't know what's in any of these boxes.
Nope.
Now, I've been getting a lot of emails from a lot of different brands as well saying, we want to help, we want to do something. And I was like, here's the address, just send us stuff. And if we can't use it, or if we really like it, we'll use it, or we'll give it away in one of our events if you come to an event. So this is like Christmas. And it just gives us time to kind of hang out for a little bit. So that's fun.
Yeah, we'll just see. I know some things have been purchased.
The knife. I should have sharpened it. I didn't anticipate 8,000 boxes.
It's gonna get a workout today.
Oh man, we're gonna have to get a system down.
We are. Oh yes, look at here. Okay. Oh, they might have put their name on it.
Oh yeah, if you do the gift registry thing, you can put your name so we know where it came.
This is from Neil and Cheryl. And this is perfect. Neil and Cheryl, thank you. We needed some serving utensils for when we do events here. So look what I got. Look what I got. It's like tongs and spoons and things for
the kitchen.
Yes, so, for events when they're coming through the catering line. This is perfect. Thank you.
I guess when we
it's like a housewarming, really big housewarming.
In a weird way, with all of you. When we do our events here, it's going to be interesting to see what we're using or not. I don't know what these are, like black clips and some string.
Oh yes, I do know what those are because I made the registry. Is there a name who sent those? Let's look.
A gift. Oh!
Lori, Rocky and Lori. Thank you. Okay, so this is...
What is this?
We're going to make a wall inside of the store. Still on the list is a like a little Fuji instant camera. And so we want you, when you come and stay, we might not be here, and we'd love to see who came and visited while we were gone. And so we want you to, anybody time you come and say, take a little picture of yourself, clip it on the wall, and we just want to see the guests that start making Cypress Landing what it's going to be. So just take a picture.
So what's this? They sent this too. Gentle, soft touch.
Oh yes, this.
You seem, you're pretty excited. We got boxes everywhere.
This is a blanket for the cabin.
Oh,
so, thank you.
So those that are coming to the cabin
can have some.
Oh, we're gonna just set everything over here
right now.
Okay.
Thank you, Rocky and Lori, Neil and Cheryl. What do we got in here?
I don't know.
I'll start this one.
Man, there's a lot. We're gonna have to. You good?
Yes, it's another blanket for the cabin.
This is gonna be a homey little cabin. Who's it from?
Looking. That I don't know what it is, so that must be a U. Ah, Arlen and Harlan, thank you. This will be great for the cabin. Just trying to make them homey while people are here. We are going to have a mess in here.
We have our very first sponsor.
Oh, look at that.
I don't know. It's like somebody sent us something. It's called Auto-Vox.
Okay.
I think it's a backup camera. You guys. Okay, so we'll either give this away, or I'm gonna see if I can use it on the truck.
Well, I don't know. I think it's here at Cypress Landing. It should be a giveaway.
Oh, I'm so excited.
We get excited about different things, obviously.
Okay. Okay, so if you don't know, this is Auto-Vox, okay? And Auto-Vox makes different camera systems for your RV or for your vehicle.
What's that?
Okay, so this, this is so cool. So this is the actual backup, and this, when I looked at them, you can actually rotate this one down and down the other so you can see down your hitch and a backup camera
What are those?
portion. These are side cameras that you can mount on the side of your RV towards the front so you can look down the RV as you're backing in. Oh, right. This is fabulous.
Okay, I've watched some of y'all back in when you come to an RV park. Some of you really need this.
Okay.
That would be very helpful.
Thank you so much. Not even just for us, Auto-Vox. This is awesome that we can play around with. I might actually try to see how it all hooks up, and maybe we can get some info.
You thinking on the truck? Or on this?
I honestly don't know.
Okay.
All I know is like, this is such a big deal. So thank you.
Digital, wireless. It's wireless.
Yep. This is a screen. Oh, heck yeah.
Oh boy.
And look how small it is. So I was thinking that their screen was going to be huge, but this would actually fit in your
Todd's excited
windshield.
now. That's a cool.
Okay,
cool
thanks,
little...
Auto-Vox. Thank you so much. We'll have to come back to this. But yeah, awesome. I'm excited to see what different people are going to send us because we didn't, like I said, we had no idea what was happening. All right.
I need a knife.
Knife's there.
While you put that one back together, I'll start this next one.
Oh, this is cool.
How's it become a knife? It's like a
It's
Swiss
a fancy
Army.
knife. I've wanted one of these for so long. It's a knife, it's pliers, it's a lot of things.
Was it a screwdriver? Because I
It is.
needed a
It's
screwdriver
got a screwdriver,
earlier.
2 different screwdriver connections.
I need a Phillips screwdriver.
Amazon Prime. This is another Gentle Soft Tech. Is that another one of those blankets that you got?
Yep, right here's another one. It's because we have...
It says a gift for you.
This is from Arlen and Harlan. And,
Oh, Linda Boyce.
perfect. And this one's from Arlen and Harlan. See, we as a group, we just make these things happen.
Ta-da!
I can't wait to open these and show you what they look like. Obviously,
Yeah, we're going to be remodeling the cabin.
Oh, look. Whoop, whoop.
What else is
this? This is a full sheet set. Thank you. This is...
Still from Arlen and Harlan?
So my plan is it's going to be so much more cozy.
Sweet.
Don't lose these little pieces. That's another one.
Another bed. Okay, so did you put these? I can't see that.
There, that one. Oh, here it is, and it's in the bottom. This one's from Lori.
Lori Schubert?
Yep. Thank you.
Ha!
Cabin's gonna look great. Okay,
Goodness sakes.
this is from FedEx. My guess is this is you. This is something that came in from a sponsor.
What?
Oh no, it came in via... Oh, yes.
What is it?
Here, hold this.
We're doing our opening for boxes. What?
I got a box in a box.
It said tablecloths. You're excited about tablecloths?
Yes, because every good event needs black or white tablecloth
Look at this.
options.
You guys are amazing.
I can't get this open. Yes.
So you're excited about...
I'm excited about tablecloths.
It's because of the event.
The
Like she
events.
said in the past, she's like, we need to have the things that make the environment so good for you guys to come and enjoy.
Absolutely. All right, here we go. Try that.
How many
It
we
is
got
like
left?
it is like our Christmas. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more to go.
Oh, is that Sheets?
Yep, sheets.
Who's that from?
The Boyce family. Thank you.
Man, they've been hooking up
Sheets,
the
hooking up the
cabin.
Ooh, they
Ooh, they went with nice ones. Whoever's getting to sleep there, we just now got to work on mattresses for that.
Don't say it. Don't.
If you followed the channel for a while, I'm not going to say it.
Don't
They
say
shall
it.
remain nameless.
More bedding.
Man, these cabins are going to be great.
It's because
I don't think you guys. I don't think we ever really showcase the cabins and kind of how they're outdated.
Here's
So
the-
the floors need to be replaced.
Yes.
They need to be painted. The beds.
there are, the thing is there's 3 beds in each cabin. And, oh, Karen and Jeff, thank you for that. There's 3 beds in each cabin.
Yeah, because you can have kids and not even kids. There's
Yeah,
like
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, you can comfortably sleep 5 in there. And so each one needs not only the linen that's on it, but the one that is ready to go on it when that person checks out. Then we just put a clean one on, everything. So we need a double of everything.
Man, there's a lot of stuff in here.
Oh, this one's super heavy. You better just open that.
We're gonna run out of space in this little office. I'm gonna have to start doing this in the other.
Oh, I see. It's from a crew. Oh, nuts. Oh, they didn't. There's no name on it.
Oh,
Oh.
that's another tablecloth.
It's more tablecloths.
Oh, they're down there.
Okay.
Another black set of table. Maybe they're white. They could be white.
This is from.
Oops.
Oh, this is from Karen. Thank you. Thank you, Karen.
I just squashed all the boxes. You think they're black ones?
Yes. Here's the thing, is we have
A wedding coming up?
3 weddings actually, and we have 28 tables.
How many tablecloths are in there?
10.
Oh.
So, see there? Okay.
I'm so glad we turned the AC on in this little room.
I need that knife. This is like our Christmas time.
Yeah, we don't ever get this many
We don't-
presents at Christmas.
We don't usually do presents together at Christmas. Okay, what do we got this time? Here.
Dream toys.
Oh,
I don't know if Dream Toys is an appropriate.
stop. It's a family channel. Okay.
If they're thinking like I'm thinking.
I don't see who this is from. So when you check out, make sure you put your name on there who this is from.
I don't know if I want to know what Dream Toys are.
But look at here. It's for the kitchen.
What is that? It says something fan. Wow! Those are fancy knives.
Needed some
Do you
knives
think
to do some prepping.
Can you tell me what a Dream Toy is?
I believe I can.
Okay.
You know that ring game you like to play where you pull the ring and then you move your thing?
Yeah, I've actually gotten pretty good at that.
So just things for people to sit around
You mean
and
ring toss?
like the one that
Yeah,
that's
ring-
a tabletop.
yeah.
I believe that's what that is.
I'm gonna kick some butt if it is.
Oh, Todd's kicking butt now.
Oh, it is.
Yeah, so get that.
Okay.
We'll get that game put together. Again,
I
where
hear
moments
some competition
become
coming.
memories.
Oh,
Todd's
yeah.
gonna come beat your butt.
I don't know. Sometimes this is done with shots. Not that I do that anymore, but
Oh, I know crew that do. So
all I know is like there could be some. Dream Toys is a nice word, not like what we were thinking. What is the big box you're trying to get?
I have no idea.
Sorry, I broke your toy. It is such a switching up thing.
If you guys know, that's
Thank you.
It's not broken.
It's not broken. It's just wood. It
It's
just makes
just-
loud noises.
It's just Todd.
Just more pieces.
Y'all.
I'll fix it, I promise.
Look, don't forget these pieces.
Oh, there's more that fell?
Yeah,
Oh,
the whole.
Is that everything? Yeah, we're gonna work on this one. What is it? What? What is that? Chalkboard?
It's a chalkboard.
Oh, it's like a sign chalkboard.
Yes.
Oh,
That's good.
and I like it. Look at that. Does it
Oh,
come?
and we got a rack. This is good.
Look at
This
the rack
go-
on
this-
that one, huh?
He thinks he's funny.
Somebody's laughing.
It's because that's their joke.
I bet Jesus laughing.
Okay, that is great. That's going to go in the office, I'm
Okay.
sure.
Do you want me to
Please.
put that outside?
Oh, no. We're good. We only have 2 to go. We're going to do this. We got this tiny space, lots of boxes. Ew.
I can't even get to the camera now. It's so far back.
We just keep moving. I have a feeling that's more tablecloths,
Is it?
possibly.
Well, good, because you said we needed,
We have 28 tables.
and you said each one's 10?
Yep.
Okay, there you go.
Perfect.
But who's that from?
Yeah. How's that going? And now I'm going to do white next.
More tablecloths!
Charlie and Karen Lincoln.
Oh, thanks, guys. We haven't seen them for a bit.
Yeah. Thank you to the Lincolns and the McAfees and the Shoebrings
Okay.
and the Boyces
It's a
and
lot
the
of boxes.
Garden Hires.
Jeez,
We have
is this-
this one. This one's heavy, it says. So let me turn it down.
It's almost open already.
Heavy, heavy.
Can you guys see it? Yeah, they can see it.
Can they?
Yeah.
This is from Charlie and Karen Lincoln.
Hey, that's heavy.
What is that? Oh, sheet pans for the catering kitchen.
How can sheet pans be so heavy? That's a lot of sheet pans.
Well, and you know when you have a warming
Oh.
kitchen,
Yeah.
the pans don't fit on the shelves. You have to have a sheet pan to hold your thing.
These are shiny.
You're not gonna be able to get them out one at a time.
No,
They come
I
out
was
all
trying.
together.
I was trying to show them how shiny they were. You know what we could do with these?
Put them in the
Here, let me
catering.
show you how many sheet pans they are. You don't see that every day now, do you? Just look at it.
It's because it's a warming oven, so you can keep your catered food warm when you guys come for an event.
Just look at it. These would be great for like sleds.
No.
If you were ever looking for sleds.
No, they don't. Your butt won't
You
fit
wa-
on there.
Is there anything else behind you?
Nope, I think we made it. We made it.
What's that?
That's old stuff.
Okay.
Yes. This is stuff that we had here before.
Well,
That was fun.
there's your unboxing for
You guys
today.
are clear over there now.
I can't get to you. But thank you so much.
Thank you guys. We appreciate
And we look
it.
forward to doing another unboxing video down probably in another week or two, maybe.
Yeah.
See whatever else comes in
Yes.
as we're here working our little rears off in the heat. So,
Well, this will be great because we'll come here in the middle of the afternoon
and hide in this little air conditioner
air
room.
conditioning and open boxes. So the more boxes you send, the more I get to be inside the AC.
Wow.
See if you can get to them. Thank you guys again. Thank you to all the families who are helping make Cypress Landing work. We appreciate it.
Appreciate it. And with that being said, Sheila,
We're out this time.
it's just funny. You gotta admit, it's kind of funny.